Hi, this is Kerry, and I just replaced this hinge right here on a Whirlpool dryer door. I also did one for a Whirlpool washer. It happens to be the exact same hinge. So there's 100 million screws, and there's a lot of videos online that will show you how to do that. But basically, I had a door that was sagging, and you would have to lift up on the door to close the door properly. So that's all been fixed, but I tried looking on YouTube and I couldn't find any video for a sagging Whirlpool washer door. So essentially the problem is the hinge right here. This is the old broken hinge, and there's two little tabs that are broken off. So there's one on the top side, on the outside, and there's one over here. It was here and it broke off. So these are little plastic bushings. Let's see. Okay, and they go. You'll see these ones will slide out easily. Okay, and this one here slides out. So this little axle here is broken off, and or tab or axle, whatever you want to call it. And on the other side, this is broken off. So that's why you need a new hinge. So, and the new hinges, $15 to $20 on Amazon and wherever else you want to get it. So eBay, blah blah blah. But I chose to pay a little bit more to get these new bushings that come with it, and because I wasn't sure, if my other ones were shot or whatever. So anyway, there it is. That's why you have a sagging door. This hinge is broken. It looks like this, and it's a very easy skill level. You don't need to be too much of a tech to undo a bunch of screws and replace it. Okay, thanks for watching. So this is Kerry, and we'll see you next time.